What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and today we're solving the hardest part about buying a mattress. It's not the price or delivery that trips most people up, but figuring out if a bed is actually built for the way that you sleep. In this video, I'm partnering with Helix to take a look at the Dusk Luxe. If you happen to be a back or stomach sleeper who runs hot at night, you'll want to stick around because the zone coil system and the GlacioTex cover on this thing are two features that you definitely want to know about before you spend your money on a new mattress. Out of all the mattresses that I've tried over the past several years, the Helix Dusk Luxe is definitely one of the best. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we get into the actual mattress itself, I want to show you my favorite part of ordering from Helix, because if you're like me and you know nothing about mattresses, then this is definitely a game changer. When you go to their site, they walk you through a short sleep quiz. We're talking maybe 5 questions. I told them that we had 2 sleepers, told them that I mainly sleep on my stomach and I sometimes flip over to my side, and I gave them my softness preference. After answering just a few more questions, that was it. They matched me with the Dusk Luxe, and the reason that matters is because Helix actually makes a ton of different mattresses with more than 20 unique options with different firmness levels, different builds, all targeting different sleep styles. Having all these options really makes it one of the best mattresses you can buy. The unboxing experience is definitely unmatched here. Helix delivers your mattress right to your door with free shipping in the US. The mattress comes rolled up in a box and is super easy to set up. The Dusk Luxe is a 13.5-inch hybrid, and the extra height there isn't just for show. The layering inside is doing some real work. You've got Helix dynamic foam sitting right on top of the coil system, and unlike traditional memory foam that kind of swallows you up, this material is actually really responsive. When you push into it, the foam pushes back. It feels more like you're floating on the mattress rather than sinking into it. For stomach sleepers, that distinction matters a lot because you don't want your body slowly melting into the bed while you're trying to sleep. This makes it one of the best mattresses that you can buy for stomach and back sleepers. My previous mattress was made entirely of foam, and for a while it felt great. As time went on, I started waking up with lower back pain almost every single morning. I couldn't figure out why that was happening until I really paid attention to my posture. My hips were actually sinking because the foam wasn't pushing back hard enough through the midsection, which meant my spine was curving down instead of staying flat. When that happens night after night, the pain really starts to add up, and eventually I was waking up feeling worse than when I went to bed. This is exactly the problem the Dusk Luxe was designed to fix. Underneath the foam layer, they've put in zone-pocketed coils. This is the direct fix for everything my old mattress couldn't handle. These coils aren't uniform across the entire bed. They're actually firmer under your hips and lumbar area where you need the most support, but they stay softer under the shoulders where you need a little more give. Instead of the mattress just pushing back with the same force everywhere, it's actually responding to where your body needs it most. For stomach sleepers like me, that means my midsection stays lifted and my spine stays neutral. I'm not waking up with that familiar ache in my lower back anymore, and that alone is enough to sell me on this setup. The overall feel lands right around a 6.5 or 7 out of 10 on a firmness scale. It's a solid medium firm. It isn't a stiff plank, and it isn't a soft cloud, but it hits that Goldilocks zone where your body gets actual support without feeling like you're sleeping on the hardwood floor. When I first lay down on it, the bed just felt right. Rolling over is easy, getting out of bed doesn't feel like a workout, and you don't get that slow drag feeling where the foam takes a second to catch up to your movement. Now, the support system is what really sold me, but there's a whole lot more to this mattress. The Dusk Luxe that Helix sent over to me comes with something called a GlacioTex cooling cover, and if you've ever woken up at 2 in the morning drenched in sweat for no apparent reason, this is the feature that changes all of that. It uses a phase change material that actually pulls heat away from your body while you sleep, so the moment you lie down, the surface feels cool to the touch. It's not like sitting on a cold tile floor, but more like the cool side of the pillow that stays with you for the entire night. For hot sleepers, having that consistent temperature is definitely a total game changer. Then you've got the pillow topper, and the second you lie down on it, you get an instant hit of comfort. It's that specific feeling where your body just relaxes all at once, and you get that flood of endorphins because everything feels great. Edge support was another big deal that came up quickly in our house because our old mattress had edges that just wore down over time. The perimeter just stopped holding up, but the Dusk Luxe is genuinely sturdy all the way to the very edges. There's no roll-off feeling or soft drop-off. which means you can sit on the side of the bed or sleep near the edge and the mattress actually holds. Motion isolation is solid here too, so if you share a bed and one of you moves around at night, the other person doesn't feel every single shift. It's not exactly perfect, and my wife and I can still feel each other when we get in and out of the bed, but it's definitely good enough that nobody's waking up when the other person rolls over. On the purchase side of things, you get a 120-night trial plus a limited lifetime warranty, which gives you a really long runway to figure out if this is actually working for you. The Dusk Luxe is perfect for me as a stomach sleeper, but I do have to mention that if you're a side sleeper who wants a plush sink-in feel, then this may not be the exact Helix mattress for you. The medium firm build is a specific feature for back and stomach sleepers, so it's not going to be perfect for everyone, but for me, it's definitely perfect, and that's one thing that I love about Helix is that sleep quiz. You're going to be able to get the mattress that is the best mattress for you. Now, I've looked at a lot of the big names in the bed-in-a-box world, and while most brands try to make one single mattress that's good enough for everyone, Helix does it differently. Instead of that one-size-fits-all approach, they actually customize the build to your specific body type and sleep position. It's the difference between buying a mattress and having one that's actually built to match you. I really think that that's what separates Helix from the competition. After using the Helix Dusk Luxe for the past couple of nights, I have to say that it's definitely one of the most comfortable mattresses that I've ever used. If you're a back or stomach sleeper who also runs hot at night, the Dusk Luxe is genuinely hard to beat at this price point. The zone coils do exactly what they promise. The cooling cover actually works, and the edge support holds up in real life instead of just looking good on a spec sheet. But I'm super interested to know, what mattress do you usually prefer, and what mattress did you get when you filled out the mattress quiz? Let me know in the comments below. I'll go ahead and drop the Helix link in the description below so you can check out the current deals that they have running right now and find out more for yourself. If this video helped you out, do be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more coverage like this. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.